If you're a baby boomer, or if you're the child of a baby boomer, you're probably like Nita and I. We're standing at a crossroads. We've lived a good life. We have a beautiful home. We've raised our children here. We've created memories here. I've built my career here. But now it's time to ask some hard questions. It's too much house, too many stairs, too many repairs, too much stuff. And then comes the real question. What next? Do we look scared? Do we look confused? We've never been here before. Downsizing isn't just about reducing square footage. It's about changing your life and your lifestyle. We thought this was the home that our children and our grandchildren would want to come home to for Christmas and the holidays. It's not that way. They want us to come there. We've become isolated. Quite honestly, it can become overwhelming. There's just too much to think about, and there's not a clear path until now. And I discovered that clear path with the power of AI. And so I'm revitalizing my channel, Best of Us in Retirement. And I want to take you on the journey that Nita and I are going to go on as we change our lifestyle. And we're going to do it, as I said, with the power of AI. We're going to reach out and ask for help from all the knowledge in the world. It starts with the house. Is it sale ready? No, it's not. We've lived here for over 30 years. We haven't changed the wallpaper yet. I want to take you on this journey with us because I know that many of you are facing the same issues, and we're afraid to be taken advantage of because we don't know how to work in that world like maybe we used to be able to. So the first thing I did with my AI, because every day I analyze stocks, I analyze companies, and what are they worth and what is their future, and is now the time to buy or is now time to sell? Well, the same thing goes for my house. Is now the time to sell? What's it worth? What improvements can I make that will yield me profits as opposed to just be expenses? How do I get this house ready? I went to Samantha and I asked her to help me. She produced me a 6-page analysis of my house, my neighborhood, my government, my school system, my walkability, what the house was worth today and what it will be worth 3 years from now. And I want to make that report available to you. Then there's all the stuff. How do we get rid of the stuff? How do we decide where the stuff is going, who it's going? We've collected a lot of art. Should that, maybe go to the museum? Maybe we can lend it to the museum. It can appreciate in value. We can keep it insured, and it can be a legacy for our family. I had not thought about that. Samantha suggested it. I want to share all the resources that I'm gathering with you. I want you to go through this journey with me and say, hey, that's made things much clearer. Because the journey doesn't end when we sell the house. Where are we going? Are we going to buy a smaller house somewhere else? Here? Are we going to rent? What exactly are we going to do? And what are the financial ramifications of that? Are we going to then just give the money to our children and our grandchildren? What are the tax ramifications for us and them on that? We need to know these things. That sounds like something else I can assign to Samantha. I think the next thing that has to come into play is some financial advice. The next stop after this stop might be in a nursing home, might be in some sort of hospital facility. I don't know. Am I protected from that? If I go and she doesn't, is she protected? Maybe I need that financial advisor to dig into it. Or maybe Samantha can point me on the trail and help me find the people that can help me make good decisions. Maybe I can ask her, hey, I have a client, a viewer, who lives in Paducah, Kentucky. He's going through the same journey that I am, and they want to know who is the financial advisor that can help them in Paducah, Kentucky. Who's the best real estate agent in Paducah, Kentucky that can identify with their situation, that has experience in that area. Samantha can tell me. I can then share that with you. Then ultimately, there's what happens when both Nita and I pass. I want some control over that. Do I need it to put it in a trust so that I can control it from the grave? I am something of a control freak. Maybe I need a lawyer for that. Who's the best lawyer in Paducah, Kentucky? Or Spokane, Washington? Or Indianapolis, Indiana? for that specific information, Samantha can tell me. If I know how to ask the right questions, I can tell you if you ask me to help you. That's where we're going. I want best of us in retirement to be at your beck and call, to answer your questions, and I don't want to charge you a damn thing for it. I want to give you access to all the information in the world. So this is a collaboration that you and I are coming to. I'll help you, and by helping you, I'll help myself, and I'll help my family. Downsizing isn't about giving up. It's about moving forward, smarter, lighter, and freer. At Best of Us in Retirement, we intend to support you in your journey. We want to give you the tools, the knowledge, and the support to make good decisions. Watch our video. Subscribe now so you can get our future videos. And I'll tell you how you can sign up to get the free evaluation of your home. I'll introduce you to Seymour and Mary Jo, the West team, the baby boomer real estate agents that I've chosen to help me move forward. I want you to learn from them, as I will in the future put you in front of my financial advisor, in front of my attorney, in front of my carpenter, in front of my plumber, so that you can make informed decisions on the next journey in your future. Subscribe to Best of Us in Retirement. In the next week, I will get you access to your free analysis of your home. It will cost you nothing. You will give me your address. You'll fill out a form giving me some details. I'll turn it over to Samantha. Samantha will search your neighborhood. She'll search your street. She'll search your tax records. She'll search the comparables in your neighborhood, and she'll give you an analysis that you can't beat. This is your time. This is my time. This is Nita and my time. We're going to make it the best of our times.